G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Hyundai Iload, stock reference number 5771. This shape runs from the 915 through to current model. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear sliding door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre, we have the left hand tail light, the factory tow bar with the aftermarket step, left hand tailgate, barn door, 2 small dents, right hand barn gate, no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear sliding door has 3 small dents, right front door 2 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.